Let's make a metal sphere in DaVinci Fusion just like this. So here we are in DaVinci Fusion. I've added a background node. I need to take its alpha all the way down to 0 like that. I'm going to bring in another background node and I'm going to click on it, come up to the right hand side and change its color to the color that I'm thinking of. Somewhere around here will do me. I'm then going to add an ellipse node to that background. Make sure it's connected in. If I put that in the window, we get this. I'm going to click on the background, right click and hit copy and then Control V to paste. I need to join those together, so let's add a merge. I'm going to put them in together like this. If this one's come in as the background, I need it to be the foreground, so clicking on the merge I'm going to hit right click and go swap inputs like that. I'm now going to click on this background node and change the color to be really bright so it's in the same color region but take it a lot lighter like so. And then I'm going to add a polygon mask or a B-spline. Come up and create a shape like so. If I put that in the window, we get this. Clicking on this B-spline, I'm going to come over to the right hand side and increase the soft edge by a hell of a lot. Just crank it right up. And then I'm going to go down to this merge, click on it, come over to the right hand side and change the operator from over to a top like that. We can now connect this merge into our timeline like so. I'm going to add another merge. I'm also going to copy this background, right click, copy, Control V, paste and connect it in like so. Clicking on this background, I'm going to come over and change the color so it's really dark, somewhere down like that. And then I'm going to add a polygon mask to that one. I'm going to come down and do the opposite down here. When I put that in the window, we get this. I'm going to crank up the soft edge again, like that. And then come down and change this operator to a top again, and we get that. Now to finish this off, and make it even look more metallic, what we're going to do is we're going to add one more merge. Copy this background, Control V, connect in like so. On this one we're going to change the color up to be lighter, somewhere around there, and we're going to add an ellipse mask to it like so. I'm going to right click on our height and hit expression here. We're going to connect it across to our width and then take it right down like that. Again, cranking up the soft edge. We can also take down the level a little bit and put it to where we need it to be. And voila, we have our metal ball. Once completed, you can copy and paste and create a nice little animated background like this. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.